Hello YouTube, this is Jackson Mars again. Welcome back to Universe Sandbox 2. This is the 5th episode I'm doing on this game. I got a lot of positive comments on the last one, so I can see you guys really like this, and I'm glad you guys like it, because I like this stuff too. So what are we doing today? Well, the first thing is, what if the sun was a black hole? So we can do this 2 ways, I'll show you in a bit. So the first one is, if the sun was a black hole, what would happen? Well, you can probably guess what would happen, but we're just going to see anyways. And the second one is the future of our planet, the future of Earth, and the solar system in general. So yeah, we're going to do both of them today. So let's just open a fresh simulation of the solar system, and we're going to pause it. Now what I could do is I could delete the sun, and then add a black hole here. I could just add a black hole in the sun's place, but there's a much easier way to do this, and I'll show you guys in a bit. I'm gonna pause this. So what you can do is sim, then you go to gravity, and you increase the gravity of the sun. So you can see it immediately starts shrinking. Now escape velocity. Now once it reaches the speed of light, should be a black hole. Once it reaches the speed of light, as you can see, its size is decreasing. But escape velocity, I believe it needs to be the speed of light, cause yeah. Oh, there we go. Now it's above light speed. But how about will it get bigger? No, it'll just be stronger, I guess. So let's just make it 1 the speed of light. Okay. So the sun is now a black hole. We're actually gonna call this black hole sun. And what's gonna happen? Well, let's slow this down so that not everything happens too fast. So let's do minutes a second. You can see immediately. Well, yeah, Mercury is already getting pulled in straight away. So basically, this thing is gonna start eating everything up. It's still the same mass as the sun, but it's smaller. As Mercury goes. Now, I'm not sure if every planet is going to get sucked in. Some planets might get flung. I've done this before, and sometimes a planet would go there, but it would go on the outside, so it would actually get, like, ejected. So why? Let's see. Will Venus go or will it be ejected? Venus went. Now, Earth is the next to go. Sorry, Earth. This is an experiment, as you want to have that, like, in the front. And oh. Is Earth tidally locked? Is Earth locked? Tidally locked? Because there's ice in Africa, but it's still 15 degrees. I don't know what's going on there, but anyways, let's speed this up so it doesn't take forever. So Earth is gone. See about the other bodies. I'm just going to speed this up, but not too fast so it doesn't take and Mars got ejected. So Mars didn't get sucked in. Mars actually got ejected. Now that is okay. Slow that down. It's lagging. So, but Ceres is gone. Mars got ejected. So Mars survived the black hole. So bye bye Mars. You survived the black hole. Now you're on your own. I'm sure Mars is happy it survived the black hole. Let's go back to the black hole sun. Now there's a bunch of small bodies being pulled in. Now the other planets will come in soon. Again, if I speed this up, it will start to lag. It even shows the frame right there. So here's Jupiter. Let's see, will Jupiter get destroyed or will it be ejected? Actually, is Jupiter bigger than the black hole? No, it's smaller. Okay. Well, it looks like Jupiter went through it, but it got ejected. So Jupiter. Okay, so yeah. So Jupiter got ejected. It won't get destroyed. Let me increase its gravity some more so that it's a lot more. Let's have it about, there we go, about 12 the speed of light. And somehow so far 2 gas giants have got ejected. Wait, what happened? Oh, Mars is coming back. I don't think any of the other bodies are coming back. Yeah, they're off. Mars is coming back though. Uranus, it's coming. Well, and it got ejected too. What about Mars? Mars is gone. Are all the gas giants gonna get ejected? Is that supposed to happen? I'm not sure if it's supposed to happen. Oh, so that's too much. So Neptune, okay, so not all the gas giants, but Neptune's gone now. There's Pluto. Pluto's gone, so now whatever the rest that's coming in, it's slowing this game down. Even just this, it's slowing the game down a lot. Why? Well, whatever. So that's, I'm sure you guessed that everything would get sucked in. That's basically what happened in long short. Thus the sun is a black hole. Now let's go on Earth's future. So, in case you don't know, stars go through a life cycle, and our sun is about that. So it's about a little over halfway through its lifetime. And what's going to happen is it's going to become a red giant soon. And once that happens, Earth will no longer be habitable. Now I actually have a simulation with the sun as a red giant, but I just wanna show you guys what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna do it here, then I'm gonna open the simulation. Okay, so Earth is about 1 astronomical unit or AU from the sun, and so this is gonna be 0.9. So the sun is gonna be that massive, but it's gonna be cooler. Let's put 3,000, no, a little bit less. Yeah, so basically it's a red giant now, and immediately Mercury and Venus are gone. Oh, it's playing. Okay, so that's the sun as a red giant. It will basically be that close to Earth, and it's cooler. But now let's just open my simulation. I can do this faster. There we go. Sun's a red giant. So you can see I've already done this. Although I've noticed that if I keep this running for like a very long, a long enough time, Earth will eventually just go into the sun. But its temperature, of course, is not. It's not what it's supposed to be right now. But for some reason, Earth's highest temperature is about that. And look, Earth is not melted, but I think this just stuff. It might be losing mass. I'm not sure, but this is what happens to Earth. Basically, all the water will evaporate. This is not entirely accurate. I know for a fact Earth will melt. This is not 100% accurate again, but I know for a fact Earth would melt. Well, it will melt, and it will no longer be habitable. The Earth could go into the sun. In this simulation, once I play it for a long enough period of time, Earth will be gone. But the sunrise and sunset will be terrifying. I mean terrifying. You want to see what it is? Let's go here, and as I look, well, okay, maybe that wasn't a good spot. Where's one directly behind the sun? You tell us directly behind. Nope. Where is a good spot? Can someone help me find a good spot? Alright, well, what is this going down or up? I can't even tell. Oh, is it sunrise? Well, let's go somewhere that's. This should be right behind the sun. Okay, whatever. Well, this is sunrise. No, that's sunset. Actually, never mind that. So sunrise will be on this side, and as you can see, there it is. So the sunrise at this time is this giant thing that fills the sky immediately. Yeah, I know, it's terrifying, isn't it? I mean, for in person, if you're somehow be able to be immune to all these conditions, it would just be terrifying to look at. Well, yeah, this is how the sun will look at this period of time. And now it's above, and you basically see this giant thing here all day long. And when it goes to set, it will do the same thing, sort of. Oh, that's the sunset right here. Okay, and this is the sunset. It's basically like the sunrise, but the opposite. It goes below the horizon. Again, this is not entirely accurate, again. So, yeah. Earth would be melted right now, but this is not accurate. As you can see, it's dark, but there's still a bunch of it left. So, yeah. Again, not 100% accurate, but it's good enough. So that is basically the future of Earth, at least for that part. Let's go back to a fresh solar system simulation to see if I can make the sun a white dwarf. Now, I could explode it because it will become a nova, although I'm not sure if there's any normal novas in this game. Might only be supernova. So again, let's put this at 0.9 astronomical units. And then let's make this 2500 degrees Kelvin. Let's rename this Red Giant Sun, because that's what it is now. It's a red giant sun. Now again, Earth is probably not gonna melt from this. I mean, it'll get very hot, of course, but nothing's happening. Like, I mean, wait, is it warming up now? Yeah, it's warming up. Why is it so yeah, again, this is not 100% accurate. Oh, that's probably from the other two planets used to be there. That's probably from Mercury and Venus. Like again, I've seen Earth disappear because it probably went into the sun. Now I tried doing this by reducing the mass, but it just got ruined, basically. So yeah, everything. Yeah, so I mean, Mars is pretty warm. Now there's Earth is what on what? Okay, that is not right. Anyway, so Mars. Oh. Well, apparently this is still not completely accurate. Wait, why has the temperature gone down? Hang on, was the other one 3,000 Kelvin? No, let's do 2,700 Kelvin. Let's leave it here. Why is Earth still like? Why is this still fine? It shouldn't be fine. What? All right, well this doesn't want to work. Anyway, this sounds very giant, even though it's not working properly. But let's see. How can I make this a white dwarf now? Should I just explode it? But then it'll be a nova. Actually, yeah, there will be a nova remnant. Wait, did it do anything? I guess it was way down. Did it? Oh, yeah. Wait, what? Why is there? Hang on, let me do this again. There should be a thing left behind. Nope. All right then. We're going to have to find one where, yeah. There should be something left on this one. Yeah, there's one left here. So that is the white dwarf sun, and of course all the other planets are getting roasted. We saw this in the last video, actually, I think, right? Yeah, it was the last video. It was the last video where we made the sun go supernova. But the purpose of this, is to show the white dwarf sun. This is still expanding. The sun nova, yeah. So it wasn't as well. It said supernova. The supernova looked different when we did it. Whatever, it's fine. So I think it's about to stop expanding. Not yet. Still expanding. Remember this is a nebula now. This nebula will be huge. Like, it will be big. I think it might be a couple light years across or something. So, well, and this will take a long time to cool down. Like, that's its age. And, yeah, that's really hot. It's still growing. Speed this up so it... Okay, there, it stopped growing. Now it's dissipating. And it's gone. Let's slow this way down so that it's not going super, super fast. And, okay, that's good. Now, see, everything has dispersed. Almost everything is dispersed. Supernova, yeah, it's not completely gone. But this is now the white dwarf sun, so I'm actually gonna call this white dwarf sun. Now what's gonna happen to this over an incredibly long period of time is it will actually start cooling down. Now again, this is gonna take a very long time to do. And so soon it will cool down. Yeah, but very slowly, like I think trillions of years or billion, like I think for trillions and trillions of years these things will be this hot. But and I know for a fact that if you stop it at a certain temperature, the thing will just disappear. So and at some point it will start like going like big and small for some reason. I'm guessing this is like yeah, it's very, very hot. We gotta this down so it's like in the, I guess, zero, like not the E plus whatever number. Oh my god. It's 15. Let's just make this 1. Okay then. So apparently I just made this the black dwarf sun now. Well, I mean, I wasn't expecting it to do that. Alright then. So this is now a black dwarf, and a black dwarf is a black dwarf. You see, this is a star, but it doesn't emit anything. There's no light coming from it. This is the last stage of the sun. After it burns out everything, it will become a black dwarf. I did not expect it to put it like this. I thought I was gonna do it like, you know, right before that, but I guess not. And yes, that's the future of Earth. The sun will become a red giant, then it will become a nova, planetary nebula, then it'll be a white dwarf, then over a very long period of time, it will become a black dwarf, and this is what it looks like. Well, anyways, hope you enjoyed today's episode of Universe Sandbox 2. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like or put a comment down below. And if you want to see more, and if you're new to the channel, if you want, you can subscribe. I wanted to upload today. I did not want to go another streak of 4 days without an upload. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is Justin C. Marzik, and I'll see you all on the flip side.